Hi everyone. Almost 2 years ago, I was celebrating 1,000 subscribers. Here we are again celebrating 2,000 subscribers, double that. So I'd just like to start off by saying thank you very much. It is much appreciated. Every subscription, every watch, every like is all very much appreciated. So, as you can probably guess, considering for 1,000 I bought a washing machine, for 2,000 we have another brand new washing machine, which I will reveal in just a second. Now, you also will know we are in a brand new kitchen, so I think for 2,000 I think we've got quite lucky with the situation that we've ended up in, despite the hiccups over the past couple of months. So that's good. This will be my permanent machine unless it turns out horrible. And you can see just over there, behind the machine to the left hand side, there is an appliance space there. That is where it's going to go, and that is why I've not put anything there yet, because ultimately once this goes in, I'm not going to take it out unless I either decide to sell it for some reason, or I just don't like it, or it goes faulty. So yeah. Anyway, without further ado, we've got another LG at long last. Well, it has been well overdue, another LG on the channel, considering, you know, it is ultimately my favourite brand. But here we are. This is the F4X1009NWK, or F4X1009, whichever you want to call it. As you can see, LG are still doing boxes, which is good. They were doing boxes even when I got mine. This one over here, they were doing boxes then. So yeah. I'm going to unbox this one on camera. I don't know if I unboxed the other ones on camera or not, but I think it's nice to do an unboxing every so often, especially for 2,000. So yeah. Right, let's unbox. They do package them up well, that's for certain. I suppose that's good. Most machines nowadays don't come in a box, they come in the plastic outer coating with all the polystyrene. I mean, this obviously has polystyrene still. It's just an extra layer of protection. Okay, I have actually got it sideways and I didn't realise that, so let me just, without attacking the oven in the process. There we go. Now it's the right way round. So, take that off first, and that one. So I've just removed these polystyrene bits. That's fine. I think I should just be able to up. There we go. Right, put the box there for now. There it is. Looks very nice actually. So I'm gonna, I guess, just lift it up like that. Okay, we do have the old drum, which I'm pleased to see. I did think I had seen someone film one of these in real life, and I'm sure I remembered seeing it had the old drum, and the photos page showed it with the old drum. So, and it does, so that's really good. That is, no, it's not slanted. I thought it looked slanted, but the fascia itself, but it doesn't. Okay. So, we have energy label and everything in here. Let's remove these little protectors. The delivery then, the only thing they said was to remove the transit bolts. Obviously a lot of people don't, so they do remind people. But sometimes as a collector, you're just stood there like, I already know this. It's like the most obvious thing in the world. But I suppose they have to say it, so that they can't be liable for not telling them, if that makes sense. That really reminds me of Hisense's door, don't you think? Of the Hisense and Goenya doors. So, we've got an inlet hose and also the drainage hose support, as well as the transit bolt, well, that transit bolt cover? One of them anyway. Obviously it's direct drive. Let's remove these while I'm at it. So, the next job now is to take off the bottom bit of polystyrene and also to remove the transit bolts on the back. Those are the bits I won't do on camera. I will do those off camera, and then basically the next time you're going to see it is when it's in that space over there. So yeah. Okay, here it is. It's all installed. Much more difficult to get in than the one next to it. But I do have a suspicion that's because it's new, and also because this is in a corner of the room, which makes it more difficult to manoeuvre. But yeah, I've got it in, it's installed. I haven't done anything with it yet. I probably should have water tested it before I put it in, to make sure nothing was leaking, but I don't think it will leak. But we'll give it the first ever power on camera. So that's power sent to it, and I heard a click of some sort. I might need my phone because I don't know whether it will make me set up the Wi-Fi before anything. They changed it. Wow. That's going to take some getting used to. They've changed the on tone. Wow. Okay. So it looks like it's the same as always. So it starts with active wear, which I haven't seen that before. So I'm curious about that. Cotton is same as always. Cotton makes its own noise. Everything else is the same, it's just cotton that's different. Which is interesting. I think they're copying Samsung slightly with the incremental increase in tones. I like it, but I'm fairly certain Samsung have always done this. 4, 8, 10. We've got 1200, which is nice, and 1400. Still got 95, no 50 unfortunately, but they've introduced 1200 as an option at least. So yeah, interesting. They got delay and pre-wash, so again that starts at 3 hours. Interesting. What does active wear now? 800 max. 40 max. Might be alright. Depends on the wash cycle. Right, I will start it on a rinse out. I just want that at 800, but I keep passing it. I'm so used to machines having 400, 600, and the other LG has it in a line. We'll keep it 30. Okay, I will start that, and yeah, that will be the end of this video. So yeah, I'll give that a go. Same filling as usual, the pulse fills. The motor's the new one. Right, I'll let that do its thing. Yeah, well, this is the 2000 subscriber machine. I'm sure I'm gonna love it. Like, it can't be that wrong if it's LG. The only annoyances I had about the AI models, this doesn't have any of it. So this should be perfect, but we'll see. Because it was literally the drum, the door sill design, that was it. That's my only annoyances with the AI models. But yeah, we'll see how it plays out. Yeah, once again, thank you very much for 2,000 subscribers. It is much appreciated. Way further than I ever imagined we would get when I started. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the new machine. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.